welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. Before I get started, a quick reminder to all our viewers to go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. For now, just sit back, relax and enjoy the top headlines of the day. Kiara Advani shares that she has no confirmation about when will film Shershah release. Suzanne Khan, Suresh Raina and Guru Randhawa face police raid at a Mumbai hotel. Why was Varun Dhawan warned about working with Sara Ali Khan? Kangana Ranaut reminisces memories of Mexico vacation, says it was unpredictable. Neha and Rohan Preet release their new song and end all the questions about her pregnancy.
In my head, I was like, it doesn't matter the platform. What matters is how important the content is and how good the content is.
Rumored lovebirds Kiara Advani and Siddharth Malhotra की film Shershah is now complete. But there still seems to be a lot of uncertainty about its release. Kiara and Siddharth, who met on the sets of Shershah, are supposedly in a steady relationship now. The two are often spotted by the paparazzi when they sneak out on drives or visit each other at their respective homes. While neither has confirmed or denied the relationship, the two make an adorable couple whom we would love to see on screen more often. Kiara, who plays the female lead in the film, has now said in a chat that though the film is made for a big screen release, she is now not worried about where or on which platform it releases.
In my head, I was like, it doesn't matter the platform. What matters is how important the content is and how good the content is.
Shershah, the twosome's first film together, was supposed to release in July this year. The project has been creating a buzz since it was announced, thanks to the fresh new lead pair and the extremely inspiring and yet heartbreaking story of Captain Vikram Batra, जो कारगिल वॉर में देश के लिए शहीद हो गए. Once the pandemic caused a long lockdown, the film's shoot and release was delayed, and it was only after restrictions were lifted that the team finally finished the film in October this year. But given the huge number of films and shows now releasing on OTT platforms, there is no confirmation yet about whether the movie will release in theatres, which are slowly opening up, or on an OTT platform. As fans wait to get some news, actor Kiara Advani has now shared in an interview that a release date is still being decided by the team. Though he feels that this biopic deserved a big screen release, she has become platform agnostic given the current scenario. The actor also added, "It's the story of a man I have immense respect for." Shershah will see Siddharth Malhotra play Captain Vikram Batra, who was posthumously awarded the Paramveer Chakra for his bravery during the Kargil War. Kiara plays the war hero's fiancée Dimple Chima in the film. Karan Johar's Dharma Productions has produced the film, and with a big banner backing the film, it is sure to be shared with audiences in a way that honors the memory of this brave heart. In an incident that made headlines for all the wrong reasons, interior designer Suzanne Khan, cricketer सुरेश रायना और सिंगर गुरु रंधावा को मुंबई पुलिस ने मुंबई के एक 5-स्टार होटल से अरेस्ट किया। पुलिस की रेड सुबह के 3 बजे हुई। and 34 people were reportedly arrested by the police. The arrests of 3 celebrities from a 5-star hotel became reason enough for all kinds of rumors and suspicions to float around. However, the police has now clarified कि आखिर क्यों उन्हें बीच रात में होटल पे रेड करनी पड़ी. All those arrested have been released with a warning in the hope that such incidents will not be repeated. लेकिन आखिर क्या थी वो वजह इन अरेस्ट की? Let's find out. It was at 2:30 a.m. in the morning that the Mumbai police entered a club located at a 5-star hotel in Andheri and arrested 34 people. This included 27 guests and 7 members of the management. News soon spread that amongst those arrested were cricketer Suresh Raina, singer Guru Randhawa and Suzanne Khan, who is actor Hrithik Roshan's ex-wife. While such raid and arrests are common when there is suspicion of banned substances being consumed or any improper form of partying going on, इस बार बात कुछ और थी. The police conducted a raid to arrest those flouting the new curfew that has been imposed in the city between 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. All those arrested by the police were flouting the curfew rules that have been imposed to check the spread of the pandemic, and under the law, anyone who violates the curfew timelines and does not follow other pandemic-related norms like social distancing or wearing a mask can be arrested. After multiple rumors started floating around about the reason for the arrests, Vishwas Nangre Patil, Joint CP of Law and Order, spoke to the media and clarified all the details. He said, 27 customers and 7 management people were arrested under Section 188 of the Disaster Management Act and 33W of the Mumbai Police Act. He also added that those arrested in the raid were released with a 41D notice or were given bail, and action is also being taken against the management of the hotel for keeping the establishment open beyond permissible hours. After news of the arrest spread, Suresh Raina's representatives issued a statement clarifying the cricketer's presence at the venue. The statement said, Suresh was in Mumbai for a shoot which extended to late hours and was invited by a friend for a quick dinner prior to him taking his flight back to Delhi. He was not aware of the local timings and protocols. Guru Randhawa's team has also issued a similar statement saying that the singer regrets the unfortunate and unintentional incident. According to him, he was unaware about the night curfew but promises to comply with government guidelines and protocols by taking all precautionary measures in the future. Suzanne Khan has also put out a statement on social media clarifying that she had not been arrested. Suzanne shared that while the police did enter the club where she was present, the guests were asked to wait for 3 hours while they sorted out the issue. She adds that reports of her being arrested are false and misleading. Well, looks like the 27 guests managed to get away with no serious punishments, and it's a timely reminder to others as well that the pandemic is far from over and we have to still make sure to follow all safety rules. सारा अली खान के साथ काम करने से पहले वरुण धवन से कहा गया था कि उन्हें सारा से बच के रहना चाहिए, लेकिन आखिर क्यों दी गई थी वरुण को ये वार्निंग? Sara Ali Khan and Varun Dhawan are busy promoting their upcoming film Coolie No. 1, and the twosome were joined by the other actors from the cast as they appeared on a chat show hosted by comedian Kapil Sharma. The episode saw lots of rib-tickling moments as Varun and Sara teased each other, and other actors like Johnny Lever, Javed Jaffrey joined the other cast members to create some truly memorable moments. Sara and Varun's film Coolie No. 1 was supposed to release almost 7 months ago, but because of the pandemic and extended lockdown, the makers had to finally take a call to release the film on an OTT platform. But पर्दा छोटा हो या बड़ा, the team is going all out to create an interest in the film and promote it on television and social media to make sure as many people as possible watch it. Sara, Varun and other popular actors from the film all made an appearance on a popular chat show hosted by Kapil Sharma, जहां हुआ ढेर सारा हंसी मजाक और कुछ धमाकेदार खुलासे। Varun revealed कि जब लोगों को पता चला that he was working with Sara Ali Khan, आयुष्मान खुराना, कार्तिक आर्यन and विकी कौशल, तीनों ने उन्हें सावधान किया और अपने को-स्टार से बच के रहने की वार्निंग दी। While Sara looked completely surprised to hear this statement, वरुण को सारा के खिलाफ क्यों भड़काया गया, ये बात क्लियर नहीं हो पाई। एपिसोड के प्रोमोज देखकर लगता है that the entire cast of the film let their head down and had a blast. सारा revealed कि उन्हें फ्री में मिली चीजें बहुत पसंद है, तो वहीं जॉनी लीवर एंड जावेद जाफरी had a fun time dancing with किकू शारदा and कृष्णा अभिषेक। सारा और वरुण भी दिखे डांस करते हुए to the foot tapping numbers from the film, but the funniest part of the episode saw Varun pretending to be a pani puri seller, जिनके साथ सारा फ्लर्ट करती हुई दिखाई दी। Sara and Varun will be reprising the roles originally played by Govinda and Karisma Kapoor in the 1995 film Coolie No. 1. And the makers have been releasing songs from the film in the build-up to the film's release. कुछ नए गानों के साथ ओरिजिनल फिल्म के कुछ आइकॉनिक गाने जैसे हुस्न है सुहाना और मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था have been released, creating a lot of curiosity is this modern remake of a super hit 90s film. Here's hoping all these efforts make the film a huge success and that people enjoy this modern but still very 90s vibe giving remake of Coolie No. 1. Kangna Ranaut's throwback photo in a bikini has managed to become a talking point. जहां कुछ लोगों ने उनकी moral policing की, वहीं उनके fans ने कहा that they will defend her against trolls. कंगना रनौत चाहे throwback post शेयर करे या किसी पे accusation throw करे, she manages to generate a controversy. The actor, who has been having arguments with other celebs on social media about the farmers' protest, has now managed to grab the headlines with her latest post where she shared pictures from her holiday in Mexico. Kangna, who is best known for her sensational comments on social media, also uses her page to share pictures of her family and moments from her personal life that are special to her. After sharing lots of pictures and videos from her brother's wedding recently, Kangna has now shared a throwback post from her holiday in Mexico. In the picture, Kangna's back is to the camera and she is dressed in a black and red two-piece swimming costume. Kangna ने अपने इस throwback post को share करते हुए लिखा, Good morning friends. One of the most exciting places that I visited in my life is Mexico. Beautiful but an unpredictable place. Here's a picture from Tulum, a little island in Mexico. While Kangna for a change made no strong comments or potentially controversial observations, the actor managed to get trolled by those who felt that she shouldn't have posted a photo in a bikini. A section of netizens commented on her post with nasty remarks calling her Nakli Jhansi Ki Rani or suggesting that she should have shared a picture where she was fully dressed. But it seems like Kangna's die-hard fans anticipated that the actor will be trolled and have stood up in her defense. One of them even commented कि अब उनके fans को उन्हें troll से बचाना होगा. Well, it's really unfortunate that while people are more than happy to see female actors in swimsuits and bikinis on screen, the same actors get trolled for dressing in beachwear off screen. One can only hope that the star doesn't get into a new social media scrap with the trolls and just ignores them this time. After creating a hysteria online about possibly being pregnant, Neha Kakkar has now revealed that the much-discussed baby bump is part of a new song featuring her and her husband Rohanpreet Singh. Neha shared the song Khyal Rakhya Kar, which sees Neha playing mom and wife to Rohanpreet, who is in a double role in the music video. Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet Singh have been making headlines ever since they made their relationship official and married in grand style in October this year. The couple who met in the sets of their first music video, Neho Davya, fell in love while shooting the love song and married after a whirlwind romance. Now, a few months later, the couple has released their next song, Khyal Rakhya Kar, which sees them play a married couple and a mother and son. Now, does this mean a baby is down the corner as well? Well, your guess is as good as ours. Neha and Rohanpreet had both teased the possibility of the singer being pregnant with their first child. After building a lot of suspense, Neha and Rohanpreet finally released the video of her new song Khyal Rakhya Kar, जिससे उन्हें pregnant होने या ना होने की mystery finally solve हुई है. The song sung by Neha tells us the story of two childhood sweethearts who end up getting married. The video has pictures from their actual wedding and sure enough, Shaadi ke baad Neha's character in the song gets pregnant, answering the question about her mysterious baby bump. Unfortunately, as the song proceeds, we see Rohanpreet's first character meet with an accident and pass away before their baby is born. Cut to many years later, when Neha with white hair is a doting mother to a handsome young man who happens to be an exact lookalike of his father. Neha's character has remained a single mother who is extremely protective of her son like she was of his father, and the music video often intercuts between past and present scenarios to show कि जिस तरह पापा रोहनप्रीत used to care for his wife Neha, मामा नेहा अपने बेटे रोहनप्रीत का ध्यान रख रही है. While the concept of the song may seem a bit old-fashioned, given how many times it has been used in mainstream Hindi films, Khyal Rakhya Kar is a simplistically short but melodious song which is sure to be a hit with the singer's fans. Here's to many more such melodious musical numbers, but perhaps with much lesser suspense and uncertainty in the build-up to its release. बॉलीवुड में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, बट स्टे ट्यून्ड क्योंकि ब्रेक के बाद ही बाकी है बहुत कुछ खास. स्टे विद अस.
श्याम, बाबा राजू किधर है? राजू कमीना किधर है रे तू?
गरीब अक्कल, अपन का नाम लेने का ना इज्जत से लेने का। राजू, राजू खबरी क्या?
बिना केले के छिलके, डुप्लीकेट मैं हूँ, भोजपुरी फिल्म का सुपरस्टार।
ए श्याम, ये भी राजू, लेकिन दोनों नकली राजू है रे, नकली है दोनों।
फिर ओरिजिनल किधर मिलेगा?
अरे ओरिजिनल आइडिया नहीं मिलता तो ओरिजिनल आदमी कहाँ से मिलेगा?
Hera Pheri remains one of the most popular comedy films ever made in Bollywood.
वो उधर है, हेरा फेरी तीसरी बार। ये बाबा, ए अनपढ़ 2 बार नहीं रे, तीसरी बार।
And has the inspiration for thousands of memes and jokes over the years. The film sequel Phir Hera Pheri was also a huge hit, but did you know that the third installment of the film was also being planned? फिल्म हेरा फेरी के आइकॉनिक डायलॉग्स और फनी सीन्स के हम सब आज भी फैंस हैं। The movie, which had some pitch perfect comic timing from Paresh Rawal, Akshay Kumar, Sunil Shetty, and of course Tabu. 20 years later, fans are eagerly waiting to see the cast reunite for a third installment of the film. लेकिन लगता है the stars are refusing to align yet for Hera Pheri 3. Interesting बात ये है that 20 years ago when Hera Pheri first released, the movie didn't make a lot of money at the box office. The film became a cult success in the years that followed, and its sequel Phir Hera Pheri was a huge box office hit. लोगों को यही लगता था कि इस फिल्म का थर्ड इंस्टॉलमेंट भी जरूर बनेगा और कई बार इसकी कोशिश भी हुई, बट फॉर सम रीजन और द अदर ये तीसरी फिल्म बनते बनते रह गई। इनफैक्ट 2015 में प्रोड्यूसर फिरोज नाडियाडवाला ने फिर हेरा फेरी 3 की शूटिंग शुरू कर दी थी, विद जॉन अब्राहम एंड अभिषेक बच्चन इन द लीड एंड परेश रावल प्लेइंग हिज आइकॉनिक रोल। But the film ran into financial problems and had to be shelved. इसके बाद भी कई कोशिशें हुई इस फिल्म को बनाने की, but things just didn't work out. According to a source, producer Firoz Nadyadwala spoke to Akshay Kumar for Hera Pheri 3. Akshay decided to come on board but had 2 conditions. One, he wanted Dream Girl director Raj Shandalia to direct the film. Secondly, Akshay asked for 70% profit sharing. But since Mr. Nadyadwala was not comfortable with Akshay's profit sharing request, उन्होंने हेरा फेरी 3 को बनाने के प्लान को abandon किया। ये भी सुनने में आया that Mr. Nadyadwala had approached Neeraj Vohra to direct Hera Pheri 3, but he unfortunately passed away after being ill for a year in 2017. There were reports that director Indra Kumar was also trying to make the third edition, lekin his attempts also didn't pan out. According to market experts, Hera Pheri 3 will be a definite success at the box office. And if released during a festival period like Eid or Diwali, इस फिल्म का bumper hit होना तय है। Well, the difficulties in making the third edition of Hera Pheri 3 may be a sign from the universe कि शायद 2 फिल्में ही काफी है, या फिर इस बात का इशारा है कि इतने अच्छे फ्रेंचाइज को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए शायद और मेहनत और डिफरेंट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कास्ट एंड क्रू की जरूरत है। Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section on our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chhetri, signing off for now, promising to be back tomorrow. You guys stay home, stay safe.